All right, guys, we got us a 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 lifted. Sky Muffler, can you hold, please? What we got done on it for you guys, a little bit different than what we usually do. Got factory converters there and there, third converter there. Then we put a DYNOMAX race bullet right there, part number 24250. Be a link in the description. And then we did a 3-inch tailpipe all the way back. And then he brought his own tip, RBP tip right there. Looks really clean, really nice right there. That we got installed and welded off for him. Look at those welds, beautiful welds. And as always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Much better. That's the old MagnaFlow we cut off in duals. Give it gas. Much better. That's clean. Your sound decibels? Again? 109. That's not bad. Sounds good. Got a really nice idle to it, too. What do you guys think? Let you guys hear on the inside. You ever seen it? No.